Here we are, downtown Cancun. Actually, it's not downtown. This is the actual. I'm so used to being in downtown, but this is the tourist trap. Got an Iranian restaurant. No Mexicans there. Oxo. That's very Mexican. That's a little Mexican shop where you get everywhere selling household necessities. Wings Army. It's not very Mexican either. This place looks good. They got Hooters. Again, not very Mexican. But this is very Mexican. And look at all these plant things. I think that's what they make the tequila and all that out of. Possibly. Is that what they make the tequila out of? The
agave.
Agaves, yeah. Well, it doesn't look like agaves. They look slightly different to the agaves I know and see.
If you buy 20 boneless, they give you a jar of beer free.
20 bonus.
In Hooters.
I don't like 20 bonus. I do like bonus, but I'm not mad on Hooters that much. There's the buses. So yeah, for once I'm walking in the tourist trap. Tourist districts of Cancun. And you got the very famous Coco Bongo, where they filmed The Mask. Jim Carrey's The Mask. And there's been rumours Jim Carrey owns the club. But it's not true. He doesn't. Monkey business. And down here we got a flamingos. I know. I did a video, didn't I? I did a cover of soft cell, say hello, wave goodbye, and it would have been the perfect location. That the pink flamingos, because that's their kind of logo thing. But I did a video walking around. Some cool street art in Cancun. There you go, Ella de Galindo. At night, this place is crazy. Teeming with people, and it's pretty expensive. Yeah, pretty expensive, isn't it, my love?
So expensive.
Yeah, not for the locals, is it? I don't come down here very often, so it's a bit of a novelty, actually.
Will you buy me one?
Yeah, if you want it, but we might eat at that other place. That looks good, though. Cameron. Do you like that one? Shrimp Cameron pizza. That looks very nice, actually. Look at those nice pieces of pollo. Not pollo, Cameron. That one's pollo. Wow. One for the veggies. Maybe. Maybe not that one. Wow. Some nice pizzas. Yeah, it looks very nice. You like it? I would, but there's nowhere to eat it, is there? I don't know. Whatever thinks. There's a few. We got a few options, haven't we? Yeah. Could just eat it there, but very Mexican there. This is Hooters. Zombie. Oh. Zombie. Sing it, babe. Zombie. Can you do that? Zombie. Very good. Got some crazy cows down here. Got a beach down there. Playa Coco or something. Playa Coco, what is it? What's the Playa Coco? That's further up. Yeah, that's further up. Birria. Yeah, I've always wanted to try the birria. birria. What is it? Birria. Birria tacos. Birria tacos. Look at the milkers on that one. Eh? So yeah, there's Coco Bongo. I think it's about 100 quid a night in it to go to that club. It's supposed to be a really good show, but I've never seen it and I don't intend to really. Too expensive.
Nice show, but this is expensive.
Yeah. There we go, we got a tour by a Mexican local who knows all the tricks. Knows all the tourist tricks. Not yeah, it's good, but it's so expensive. There's a lot of nice places that aren't here, which are less expensive. Senor Frogs, you get them everywhere. Again, I don't think they're amazing, are they, Senor Frogs? Don't rate them much. It's like a big... Yeah.
For me, no.
It's not for mohair, only for the niños.
Going down.
Don't know.
Oh, you are still walking.
I've been there before, it's not that good. But... Hard Rock Cafe. So yeah, basically it's very Americanized. Most of the people stay around this area in the hotels further down. So it's not they're not really getting a very Mexican experience. Americans like to feel like home, I guess. That's it. You'll always get offered tours whenever you're here. People will constantly say, "Do you want a tour, amigo? Hey, chicos. Hey, chicos." Constantly hear that. Cash only, that's good. It's one good thing with Mexico, they're keeping cash alive before... They do a esquite. No way. I bet very expensive esquites. Esquite is like a sweet corn thing you get, which is really cheap, not expensive in all the little local areas, but here I imagine very expensive versions. And marquesitas. It's basically Mexican street food, you know? Everything here is expensive, basically. If you come to this area, you will get ripped off. That's why there's other places where it's a bit better. I don't really get much out of this area, but it's cool to visit now and again. But you got a flea market, but very expensive flea market again. So yeah, beware if you're in the Coco Bongo area. You're probably going to get ripped off on it.
Yeah, it is expensive.
Yeah, all these t-shirts are like triple the price, aren't they? If you go to places like Market, is it Market 23 or 28 that's cheap? 23 is good. That's the cheap one, yeah?
It's different, it's like not so nice like this, but...
It's better prices, isn't it? Yeah. So there you go. Yeah.
Nice stores.
It looks nice, but it's the
Nice
same
place.
stuff in it. Same stuff in...
Yeah, it's the same stuff.
Exact same stuff. You can buy all this for like half the price. Although they're probably still trying to rip you off if you're a tourist. So. You can't win, really. I've learnt that from experience. I tend not to buy things these days. When you first come to a place like this, you're tempted to buy a load of shit, but do you really need little shoes and backpacks and things? Not really. But it's nice sometimes to treat yourself. They're very nice handcrafted items. I do like the design, but you don't need it in your life particularly. Not with the price tag that's attached anyway. So yeah, we got some Mexican masks there. Wrestling masks, what Mexico's known for. And that's it. Yeah, let's go back now, I guess. We'll go find somewhere to eat, shall we? Yeah?
You're all back in the same place that...
I don't know, yeah. Somewhere up there we can choose now. Choose what to eat now. Because wanted a little walk, stretch the legs. But yeah, so there you go. Little tour of Cancun, walking tour. If you're going to visit Cancun, you will come here because everyone comes here. This is kind of the first thing you see when you enter Cancun. It's the first place that isn't hotels everywhere. Although there are hotels everywhere, but there's also other stuff. Whereas all down there is just hotel, hotel, hotel for like miles. So yeah, this is like the first place you'll see. Kind of get a fake idea what Mexico is. It's a bit Americanized, but it's alright. It's kind of like a nice party place if you want to party. So yeah, have fun, enjoy Cancun. The red bus will take you everywhere you need to go, basically. And it's 12 pesos for anyone wondering. So if you're stuck and you're thinking, how much are these buses? Am I getting ripped off? 12 pesos each. So which is really cheap. How much is that in English? It must be 50 pence or something, isn't it? Like really, yeah, 50 pence. So good deals.
And this one is bring to our home.
Yeah, it goes everywhere. Well, it goes to all the homes, doesn't it? It goes all down through the downtown to where everyone kind of lives in Cancun, you know. So it's quite cool.